Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to get started on your Young Living journey. You're going to want to go to yl.pe/caricaraway, and you will see a page that looks like this. Become a member and click on Get Started. Our most popular starter kit is, of course, our Essential Oil Starter Kit. It already has the Desert Mist diffuser selected. That's my favorite. You can also choose the Dewdrop if you prefer. Right below, it's going to show you all 12 oils and all the bonus products you're going to get along with your diffuser. Step 2, you're going to want to say yes to both of these questions. Would you like to enroll in Essential Rewards and earn products for free? And do you want to make this first order an Essential Reward order? You're going to say yes to that as well. This is going to allow you to get your products not only at the 4% discount on all your products, but you're also going to get a percentage back. So on this first order, you're going to get $10 back plus the free oil of the month. Step 3 is where you're going to choose your Essential Reward package. I usually recommend that you grab the Thieves kit. You'll get this next month. This is how you're going to swap out all your toxic products with pure plant-based ones. And then we will work together to update your Essential Reward order. After this, you can, choose whatever you want. Okay, then you're going to choose Next. Fill out all your contact information: name, address, city, state, email, phone number. Make sure you check you want to receive email. Then you're going to choose your username, password, and 4-digit PIN. The PIN is so that you can contact Young Living for security purposes. Make sure you write down this information. Commission processing. With Young Living, you don't have to do a business, but I highly recommend you go ahead and give them your social security number, because as you share your referral link with your friends and family, they are going to be sending you a check. So it just makes it a lot easier if you give them your information up front. But again, if you're not comfortable, that's totally up to you. Go ahead and make sure my number is under sponsor and enroller 1492362. Check yes and click continue. This is going to take you to the billing pages and shipping, and you're going to click confirm and your products will be on the way. Make sure you message me so that I know that you've gotten started, so I can get you connected to all of our group resources and send your welcome gift out to you.